Yo, what's going on, guys? Top of the evening. Congratulations on making it through the weekend. It's almost game time, boys and girls. Big week. Tomorrow we're going to fire up the earnings call. We got T+35s every day this week, I believe. We'll touch on that and a couple other things. But more importantly, what in the Sam Houston, Texas is going on with this gold here? Look at the damn chart. Did you guys see this here earlier today? We lost a yardstick, a full 100 buckaroos from Friday's close. This is Sunday's futures, but gold flash crashed by almost 100 buckaroos as 4 billion in sell orders hit. This was put together today at 7:22 p.m. Probably 4:22. This might be East Coast from Zero Hedge here, but long story short, in the liquidity void that follows the resumption of futures trading, and which saw U.S. futures trade modestly lower, a sudden burst of selling in the gold futures contract sent gold prices plunging to $16.77, or almost $100 lower from Friday's close of $17.61. Do we got some money issues here maybe this evening? Kind of strange, but I noticed too, gold, silver, platinum all looked about the same. Platinum taking a little bit different of a look, but still, wow, hello, we went back up, but still, that's a 4 billion buckaroos. Who knows? Let's keep our eyes peeled, right, ladies and gentlemen? Remember my new favorite little website here, Stocks Era, FTD T+35 dates. 8/10, well, it says 8/7 here, which was Saturday, either way. 8/10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Let's not get our hopes up too much on these. We have known what happened the last couple times on these T+35s, but still, that is a lot of dates, and that is a lot of shares and money, folks. So let's keep our eyes peeled on that. Yeah, here we are. What do we got? When does this thing end anyway? Tomorrow, right? Before the earnings call, I'm assuming. Maybe, I don't know, but I know it does end tomorrow through 8/9, it says up top there. But we're at 67.7 million shares, 63.5K votes. I've kept an eye on this. We've slowed down over the last couple of days, but still, we've all seen the DD on this, the math on this. Let's see what the heck comes of it, right? As far as if you guys want to listen in on the webcast, I always fire this thing up on my phone. I'm sure it'll be streamed everywhere out there, but if you guys want to, I will pop this link in here. All you got to do is join, and then you put in just your name. Yeah, it won't pop up until it comes on, but you just put your name in there. I think it does ask what company. I just put in any old company, doesn't matter, and then it'll pop you right over and you can listen to it there. So I will pop that in for you for your listening pleasure, but I'm excited to see the numbers for tomorrow, and I'm really excited to see if AA himself mentions anything about this. I don't know. I think it's probably a coin flip if he does, but either way, we're going to know something about this probably very soon. So I'm jacked up for tomorrow. That's going to be awesome. Poor Archegos, my Lord above us, the money is gone. That's a quote from somebody close with the firm. The money is gone. Archegos employees lose $500 million from company bonus pool. Now, I know Archegos is not super huge. I was trying to find out and see how many employees they had, but I went over here to their damn Wikipedia page. But look at this over here, for Christ's sakes. Founder Billy Huang, defunct March 26, 2021, 4 months ago. Fate, defaulted on margin calls. Ooh, 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 ooh. Are we going to look at Citadel up here and shortly and see that? Who knows? Who knows? Anybody shorting our beloved meme stocks, AMC, GME, anything else, you're in deep doo-doo, boys and girls. So that's just a damn shame, isn't it? But it really is for these employees. Now, again, I'm sure they make a substantial amount of money, but it isn't just Bill Huang who is suffering from the spectacular crash of Archegos Capital Management. The company employees have lost about $500 million after the deferred pay plan crashed in value alongside the firm's other holdings. The value of the deferred bonus had risen as high as $500 million before the company's collapse. Document note that 25% of each employee's annual bonus was invested in the fund and was to be paid when the employees left. So, who knows? You play stupid prizes, you win stupid prizes, I mean. Archegos. Default on margin calls. God dog it. You guys, look at this. Remember that little 18-second clip we found the other video with Creepy Kramer? That's his new name, Creepy Kramer. I found the 3-minute clip in here, but this is about Citadel and Kramer talking about Citadel. But listen to this one if you have not seen this one. It's only a couple minutes, but this is pretty crazy.
Confidential here with me, Jim Kramer, as always. Good morning, Jim.
Good morning.
Your piece on Citadel, very interesting. How conclusive?
Citadel's absolutely in great shape.
It is, but how
I
conclusive
just want to make
can you
that point right up top.
Okay.
They're in great shape. As a matter of fact, I want to throw money at them. If I were allowed to put money with them, anybody who's down 35%, the most important thing to do is throw money at them.
So when I see the New York Times with stories about
Wrong,
the
they're
health,
in great shape.
Why?
Well, because
Besides
they said
the 35%.
so. They said they're in great shape.
But so Citigroup said they were in great shape.
Well,
a
it doesn't
lot of
matter.
banks said
Citadel's
they were in great
different.
shape.
See, this is how it works.
Yeah.
See, this is the way it's played. And guys like me can't even say anything other than they're in great shape.
Yeah.
Because then I don't get in trouble.
Yeah.
Right? See, when you're putting an outfit like Citadel, the important thing is not get in trouble. That's why I continue to tell you they're in great shape. Now, if I told you they're in great shape 50 times, what's the takeaway? Thank you.
Yeah, they're in great shape.
Yeah, they're in great
the
shape.
end.
See, because you can't talk about a Citadel. You can't, because if you say they're not in great shape, he will say, prove it. Okay, I've already said we're in great shape. And if you say he is in great shape and someone listens to you, well, that's dangerous too. So these are crises of confidence. And, you know, look, there isn't anyone that I won't take on. Citadel's in great shape.
All right. I still don't know if I have a conclusion there.
Really? Down 35%. Who would you rather go with? Here's a good question, a Q&A. Who would you rather go with, a manager who's up 10% or a guy who's down 35%?
Up 10%.
Why? Unlimited
Well,
opportunity. Unlimited opportunity to get involved with a guy who's got big redemptions, who everyone's worried about, who says he's got a lot of cash but is also debt. That's the opportunity of a lifetime, isn't it?
But Jim, right now everyone's
And he's the
following,
best.
But
You forgot he's the best.
can I say one thing?
Yeah.
Fear. When you see down 35%, then it's going to go down 50%,
Farnoosh,
70%. People are going to flee.
That conference call was very bullish. She said things are good, and the press picked it up. I am thinking what you're doing is you're standing it all on its head. You're saying that good money managers who have done well and preserved capital should get the money. And I am saying I have read the press clippings, and Griffin has said, I don't believe that, down 35 isn't bad. The opportunities are once in a lifetime. Don't believe that there's any real redemptions. I actually have cash even though I'm levered. Fundamentals are sound.
All right.
Fundamentals are sound.
I'm going to hold
Let me give you an example. Just one more thing.
Sure.
Right now, the Phillies are leading 3-1, right, over the Tampa Bay Rays. Who would you rather be? Citadel in the Rays, okay, or someone who's up 10% in the Phillies? And the answer is obviously the Rays, right? Because they could come back. Oh, when you put it like that, it dawns on you more clearly who you want to be.
See, when you
with.
talk sports, I get it.
Oh, because, to me, the Rays are the opportunity. When you're back by 3-1, the odds are really slim that you'll come back. Don't you want to put the money on the Rays?
I'm from Philadelphia.
Well, I'm just saying when you analogize to another situation, it all becomes very clear. And that's why Citadel is the greatest.
All right. Thank you very much, Jim Kramer. This
Kind of weird. Really smart-assy. Remember the clip we seen, that 18-second clip? I think I played it 4 videos ago. But it was like, he was super freaked out about Citadel. Kind of the same thing here, but a little bit of smart-assy, but not that over-the-top, full-on talk shit Kramer style of smart-assy. Remember, you guys, this was 9 years ago. Since then, pretty sure by basing all the numbers in my deep obsession with Citadel, they have done very good. So they obviously got out of whatever predicament they were in back then, but still, creepy, man. Weird, just weird. You guys, real quick, somebody, shout out to one subscriber sent me this email on this. I don't know what to think of it. I haven't dug deep into it, but I will pop the Twitter link in there. You can read through the comments. I just wanted you guys to see this because I don't have a clue yet. AMC Sunday update, tweeted at Gary Gensler, at Charles Payne, and SEC Enforcement. Shares borrowed, shares returned, changes on Sunday, and activity in AMC 0924 futures on FTX around the same time. Still think tokenized, AMC doesn't affect. I don't know what to think on this. I'm going to look into it a little bit more, but if you guys want to read into it, look into it yourself if you have not seen that. I've seen some people talking about it. I just literally seen this as I was doing the damn video. So we'll pop that in there. Frankie over here, old Frank Nez again. This was wonderful. I've been saying this for months, you guys. Get your head out of the charts, the stocks, and go have some fun, right? Handling the emotional ride of AMC. He goes over some wonderful rules here. Rules for the weekend. Manage social media. Okay, we get that. Probably stay off of anything. Reddit, Twitter, Discord, YouTube, blah, blah, blahs. So stay off of that. Spend time outdoors. I've been saying that for 2 months. Get out there. Do some calisthenics and jumping jacks, right? Hang with your family and friends without talking about AMC. We know it's hard to do, but that's very important as well. Invest time in your favorite stock's business. Go see a movie. We've been saying that too. 5, put the phone away at night. Oh, God, that's a brutal one, isn't it? I know you guys can relate. God, you know, these cell phones and the social media is so wonderful. The information, but boy, it's a killer sometimes. I get up in the middle of the night, you know, if I'm sleeping or whatever, and just get on this phone. Next thing you know, I look down the clock. I've been on the damn thing an hour and 15 minutes, and I'm not even looking at anything. Pull myself together. What is wrong? 6, do your AMC DD on Sunday afternoon/evening. Love it. And that's it. So beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's see what comes of this nonsense. Creepy Kramer. Remember, you guys, we got the tomorrow earnings call with AA and that guy with the really cool accent. I can't wait to hear him as well. And that's it. Let's see what becomes of this gold sell-off there. That's pretty wild on a Sunday evening, afternoon, whenever it was. Okay, guys, awesome blossom. We got a big week. Get yourself rested. Stay up. We only got a few hours to go till pre-market as I'm uploading the son of a gun. But that is it. We'll talk to you guys next time. Later.